Ice cream!
أخيرا. I think I'll get it this time.
Thank
Oh
you
my
very
god.
much. Okay.
Oh my god.
There.
Holy. Marhaba from Gorema in Cappadocia. So guys, it is finally time for me to try the famed Turkish ice cream, also known as Dondurma. So I am going to be stopping at this little stall over here because this guy seems so energetic. I was sitting at a restaurant having some wine and noticed him, and hopefully he can serve me a fair ice cream here. So Dondurma is Turkish ice cream, and the key ingredient that makes it different from other places is salep, which is from tubers of an orchid, and it makes it a lot more starchy and doesn't melt so quickly, and it just sticks together a lot more than regular ice cream that we are familiar with. So otherwise, let's find out how it tastes and what flavors they have. Let's find out. I've been curious, but I just haven't been in the mood, and now I am.
Hello.
Hello.
Come on. Show time. Show.
Showtime. Yalla.
Yalla. Which one?
Hadi. Which one
Vanilla.
do you have? Vanilla.
Lemon, chocolate, caramel, blackberry, pistachio.
Wow. Okay.
Which one do you like?
Pistachio.
Cone or waffle?
Cone, waffle, doesn't matter. Oh, waffle. Why not? No.
Which one, lady? Pistachio?
Yes, pistachio.
Okay. You Arabic?
شوية أنا
شوي بوزة.
أنا بتعلم عربي بس.
تفضل. Ice cream.
This guy.
Okay.
Oh my god.
Buza. You Arabic buza.
Buza.
Yeah, Arabic.
Ice cream's buza.
Yes.
Sounds like some tough stuff.
Yes. Arabic buza.
كلم عربي.
شوي.
شوي أنا كمان.
حركات بركات بوزة. تعال بوزة. تفضل. Ice cream. Come
Oh
on.
my god, am I gonna get it? You're breaking it. أخيرا. I think I'll get it this time.
Thank
Oh
you
my
very
god.
much. See you later. How are you? Taste.
He's teasing me.
Okay.
Oh my god. Teşekkürler.
Welcome.
Kaç para? Ice cream, small
Bu
cone.
kadar.
Holy. This stuff is
200 million lira.
sticky.
This small large, extra large. This one and lira.
ماشي. تمام. All right, I'm gonna have to put down the camera to pay, guys, but
Yes.
I'll check back in a second and let you know how it tastes.
Camera.
Thank you.
Welcome.
Cute kid. He was telling me he lives 400 kilometers from here, so not from Cappadocia. Anyways, let's get to trying this. So, trying pistachio dondurum. The flavor's good. The texture is different than ice cream. It's a bit more gummy. I like that. Yeah. It's hard to describe. I mean, it's not very gummy, of course. It's ice cream. It's melting in your mouth, but there's a chewy texture to it initially when biting in. I like that though. Yeah. And it doesn't melt as quickly as you saw grabbing the whole chunk there. Oh my god. But of course it does still melt. Awesome. So Dondurum, all over Turkey. Tons of videos of people getting this stuff, and I figured I would try it out. I'm actually not a huge ice cream fan, but pistachio is good, and I do like ice cream on a rare occasion. Good stuff. Yeah. 50 lira was the price for this size. 50 lira. $2, $3, less than $3. So yeah, try it out if you're craving ice cream. It's not even that hot out today, but you know, I was in the mood. So there you go. Thank you guys for watching as always, and see you on the next one.